Alright, welcome back to my channel, My Kitchen and Beyond. Today we're gonna do, what are we doing today?
Hot pot and Korean barbecue.
Hot pot and Korean barbecue at home.
At home.
At home. So there's no 2-hour limit, it'll be all night.
Yes.
Alright, so we'll show you all the food and see you later. All the condiments and sides.
But are you standing or sitting?
I'll stand.
Dad, are you standing or sitting?
I'm standing.
I'm still standing. Yay.
Then I'm moving here.
Yeah.
Whoa, you bought Wagyu?
No, switch it so.
Wait, I'm standing.
Turn this off there?
You can leave it open, Mom. I'm putting yours closer. What's that one? Can I have that one done?
That's a beef belly. If you want, there's half a beef belly.
And what's this?
The beef for the... Yes, you can put it in. Did you put beef in at all? Beef?
No.
Oh, this is...
I'll move it. Mom, just saying?
Yeah.
Just add the water a little bit on the one. The way you reduce it.
No, we have some...
Kiki. Close enough.
There's a little boy here.
Here's my veggie. It's cooked. My tofu and spinach. Wait, there's a chair over here, Mom.
It's fine. I sit down the whole day today. Actually, no, I have a lot of meetings. But yes.
Well, you went into office today?
Every Wednesday and
Every
Friday
Wednesday
now.
and Friday.
I thought it was Wednesday, Wednesday, Friday.
That is our work, Lisa. When you're kids.
Say in the camera.
At least.
Right when Dad was starting recording. Okay.
At least she
Had
knows
some
it's
strays.
elephant.
I'm okay.
Man, I'm almost full, but I still gotta go for the soup.
See, this is already cooked.
Do you want this one, the
Do you want pepper too, or just salt?
A little pepper would be.
How sweet is that? She's sharing her food to me.
I want a large.
I gotta wash my hands after this.
Dad, I'm giving you medium sweet.
Thanks.
Okay.
What is that, son?
This is Wagyu Reserve New York steak.
Wow.
Wow.
Here we go. This is the main event.
This is very rich, everyone. If you do not like rich meat, I suggest you don't try this at home.
Stay out of this. He said,
Ready?
Yep. Nice. Look at that.
don't remind me.
No, Wagyu has some fat. It has some fat.
You should be proud of James that he's not doing it. We FaceTimed Dad, and Dad said, "Are you wondering why I'm eating a tuna sandwich?" I said, "No." And he said, "It's because we're eating a hot pot and Korean on Friday."
Oh, I thought it was because of Lilo and Stitch.
Where's Papa? Where is Papa? Is Papa here? But he's like Papa. With Mama.
Do you want yours shared a little bit more?
Yes, you.
I'm gonna share.
I know the scissors gonna go. Good.
And it's fat? Tender.
Huh? Dad, you're gonna be here a while because it's hot. I can burn my mouth. It's better with garlic salt.
We just finished eating our barbecue, Korean barbecue, and hot pot. Now we got boba drinks. And guess who got the big one? I got the large. I'm gonna end my video with a boba drink. I have the blueberry slushy or slush. Yes, people, it is good. So if you like my video tonight with the family, you at home, thank you for watching my channel, my kitchen is done. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment down below. Until next time, see ya.
Peace.